Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. My name is Sonia and today I would like to show you how you can easily make a Christmas tree. This is a very easy way how you can decorate a Christmas tree. You will need only some things for decoration. I really love to use snowflakes, stars, beads or hearts. You can use any color you like, any material. You can use glass beads or wooden beads, and or you can use some pompons or so. You will need polystyrene base. If you will make a tree, you will need a cone, and for the Christmas there is the polystyrene circle. Yeah, these ones I really love. You look at the stars, they are beautiful, and I also love colorful wooden beads like these ones. You will need some glue and pins, and of course some yarn, some cord yarn. So guys, let's get started. So this is my polystyrene cone. It's I think about, I would say it's medium size. You can buy smaller or bigger, and this size is somewhere in the middle. Let me measure it. The length is 20 centimeters, 7.8 inches, and the base is 11 centimeters, 4.3 inches. So this is the size, and I will show you the yarn which I chose for my crafting. This is it. This is cord, 8 millimeters, and it's absolutely perfect luxury cotton yarn. It's made from 3 threads. They are put and twisted together, so 3 strings together, and this is absolutely perfect for decorative purposes or as a material for production of home accessories, home decorations, and it's perfect also for handbags. And if you like macrame, this material, this natural material, is also perfect. In one ball there are 50 grams. It's 30 meters in one ball, 80% cotton and 20% polyester. We will start from the bottom and work up. The important is to fix the end. You can hide easily the end when you wrap the polystyrene cone. So I will wrap the cone with this cord, with this yarn, and I will fix the end with a pin. So pin the end on the bottom and then cover the end when you make the first row. You can of course use a glue gun, but I really love to prepare the wrap and also the decorations before I use the glue. So I use pins like this and go on. My kids absolutely love to make Christmas crafts, and Christmas tree is their favorite decoration, and I think it's also perfect for training their hands, you know, to put the cord row by row. Don't cross it, don't twist it, just make it perfect and smart. We are on the top, and make sure you cover also the top with the yarn like this. Super! So this is it. Maybe you would ask how long cord it's needed for one Christmas tree. So I will put the marker at the end and I will measure it. I think it will be useful. We have 30 meters in one ball, so let's measure it and meter by meter, and I'm at the end and it's 6 meters. 6 meters. Okay, I just fold it like this so you can see. Here we are, so 6 meters for my Christmas tree. So this is it, my crochet friends. This is my tip for easy Christmas crafting. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Please let me know if you also create some Christmas decorations, and I would like to wish you very merry Christmas holidays, spending with your friends and families. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.